Hey, for today's adventures, check out this thing. I got this back home from my dad's. So this is called the Struck, S-T-R-U-C-K company. So these were back in the 1967, I believe. 67 they started making out with these. I think it's the md1600, I believe. Forgive me if I'm wrong. I'll put that in the description if I'm wrong, right? But look at this thing. So I happen to be missing the little cover. I think that's actually still at my dad's. But look at this thing. This thing is freaking sweet. We'll choke it. We'll get this thing started up. Okay. Well, what happened there? Let's take a... Oh, I know. I turned off the fuel. Let's turn that fuel back on. Yep. No, go figure. It wants some fuel. Come on. Where's your fuel? All right. Check this thing out. Well, that's freaking cool. You want to see more of this? Check out this thing. Wait until I get this thing tuned up just right. I got a little issues with the throttle. Obviously it smokes a little bit, but hey, this is cool. 1967 Struck. I think it's the mg1800. If I'm wrong, it'll be correct in the description. Hey, hit that subscribe button. Thanks.